Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail two-factor authentication problems in 2026. So if you're not receiving verification codes, can't sign in, or your authentication app is failing, this guide will walk you through the best fixes step by step. First, make sure your phone has a stable internet or mobile network connection. Weak connectivity can delay or block authentication codes. Next, check your device time and date settings. So authentication apps may stop working properly if the clock is incorrect. Now wait a few moments and request another code. Requesting too many codes quickly can temporarily block verification requests. If SMS codes are not arriving, try another verification method. You can use a backup email, authentication app, or recovery codes instead. So if your authentication app is broken, remove it from your Microsoft account and reconnect it again from the security settings. If the issue still continues, clear your browser cache or sign in from another device or browser. Corrupted cookies can sometimes interfere with two-factor authentication. And that's how to fix Hotmail two-factor authentication problems in 2026. Once your verification settings and recovery methods are working correctly, your account should become both secure and easy to access again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey everyone!